Hello everyone, this is 10KBM and we hope you're having a very wonderful day. This is part 7 of how to succeed in your business. How to succeed in your business. And we'll be talking about customers. Customers, don't forget, we are still talking about customers. Alright, now I'm going to be telling you, customers, we only go to those who care about them. We only go to those who care about them. If they perceive you don't care about them, just a slight perception that you don't care about them, that will go to your competitors and there will be nothing you can do about it. So you have to make them know that you don't just care about their money, but you care about them themselves. And most times these customers becomes a household customers. Their whole family, their friends comes to you because they perceive this care and tenderness from you. They perceive that you care about them and not just their money. And when you tell them A, they will know it's A and they will not think, oh, is this really A or is it B or is it Z? So they will trust you because they know you care about them, not just about their money. So when you have successfully build a trust and bond with them, they will tell their friends, family, co-workers, even their enemies about you because you care about them. So customers goes to those who care about them. So care about your customers. Okay, care a lot. Show that you care. Show it. Don't just care. Show it that you care. Let them know you care. Okay, let them know you care. If they don't know, even when you care, they won't still benefit from it. So let them know you care. Okay, care for them and let them know you care. That's one thing you should do. Okay, customers only go to those who care about them. Show them you care. Show them that they are very important to you. Show them that they are kings and queens. Show them the importance in your business. Show them that without them you have no business. Show them. Some people will think doing that will give them power. Yes, it will give them power, but not control over your business. To give them power, to make them feel that they have power and control, but they don't. But to make them feel that they have great power and control, and subconsciously they will always come to you. They always want to know what next, what you're giving to them next. They always want to know what's true. Even when they want to get the product, they want to know, oh, how is this product? When you say them this product does this, they will know and believe you that it does that, and they will tell, even without using the product, even before they use the product, they will keep referring their friends to go use that product because they believe you care about them, and so they will believe every word you say and they will trust you. And they will refer their friends even without using the product you're offering. So you need to show your customers that you care, and not just care, that you care a lot, that you give a shit about them, that you give a lot of shit about them. Don't just show it anyway. You need to really give a shit. You need to really care about them. You need to really give a damn about them. With that, you get much customer flowing to your door and your business will grow so fast, and you start imagining how it happened, and you sit back, relax, and remember that 10KBM help you succeed in a snap. Okay, we are here and we are your friend to help you succeed in a snap, because I'm telling you the secret. This is the secret. You need to care about your customers. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't just leave here. Subscribe, like, and comment. Tell us what you think. Tell us what you've learned. We want to hear from you. Please, we want to hear from you. Subscribe, and please don't leave here without liking and subscribing and clicking the bell icon so that you get our next video. Okay? Do have a wonderful day. We love you. This is 10KBM and we are your friends. Don't ever forget that. Peace out.